Storm Hannah, which could bring life-threatening storm surge and flash flooding as it barrels towards southern Texas. It will likely make landfall as a hurricane this afternoon or early evening.
Hi.
Okay. What's going on YouTube? TJ back with another video. Today we're at the park. I'm with my dog Brad, my boy Hayden. We're gonna be doing a 3-point knockout challenge before it rains. As y'all can see, it's already like raining. Actually, y'all really can't see, but maybe you can see his window or something. I don't know. Alright guys, we're gonna get in. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Y'all got anything to say?
You know, you gotta
anything, bro.
bell icon.
Help him out.
Like, get him.
Alright, we're gonna get into this video. Let's get it.
Yeah, Brad, you can the other one. I'll get in there. Oh, yeah. Yo, you gotta run.
Hey, that wasn't even me. That was balls, bro.
You think you're good?
Run away, bag.
Get it.
Let's go.
Oh! You did.
Motherfucker, I gotta go get that.
Run. You gotta go.
Y'all won the first game.
What the backboard?
Wait, we're not even a hooper no more.
You said that was the first game?
Yeah, we got 3. First, actually,
No, we can do it. I mean, I'm
let's
down
do
for
3
it.
games.
Alright, bet.
No, you don't even hoop like that.
Nah,
You
I don't hoop like that, I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, bet. Alright, let's do round 2.
Holy shit.
I got confused too.
Well, I just throw him. Dang. Oh, he got a block it.
I knew I was gonna be out. After that.
They should have shot right after us.
My bad.
It's a miss.
Come on.
Rounds to the left. Air ball. How was it, TJ? I don't know.
You choked.
Come
on.
That's money.
Brad, come on.
Holy.
Come on. I do this.
No!
Another breath.
I gotta give you props for that, dude. That was
Yeah!
did that for so long.
You won?
Yes, bro.
Right?
The two non-hoopers are winning this. How is that possible?
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Let's go.
You know.
They can't even tell in the video, but it's like super black over there.
Yeah. Stop the storm coming.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro. It tastes like lemon.
You ready for this?
Ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, you know how to do it.
It's raining hard right now.
2 games a day. You know how to put them in my belt. So he's super hoopers.
I might low-key upload this and we can do a part 2 tomorrow. Alright guys, if you are new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow. That's John.
Hit that bell icon.
Yes sir.
Notifications on.
Hey, hit that subscribe button for real.
Yeah, for real.
Big red button, bro. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
At TJordan_1.
Follow me on Twitter at John Swallow. Hey, he be streaming.
He be streaming every night.
Hey, I'll be streaming a variety of games. Just come and vibe with us, bro.
Bet, bro, bet. We got my shout out to my boy Mikey back there, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow. That's a picture, it's like raining tomorrow too. If you're new here, yeah, hit the subscribe button. Other than that, it's been TJ and I'm out. Peace.